Hello and welcome to the first ChatGPT Minute. This is right before the beginning of the semester, and I wanted to point you to some really great guidelines that I've been introduced to via webinar that Brandeis University has put out. And so I want to show you that page. Number one, this is Brandeis University Center for Teaching and Learning. Some guidelines regarding ChatGPT. This is great for you to read through because this tells you what ChatGPT really can't do. And so if you know what ChatGPT really can't do, then you have some great ideas of how to design your individual assignments if you want to avoid student use of ChatGPT. But even beyond these suggestions, I think that these syllabus statements are great ideas because it clearly tells your students what your expectations are regarding them and ChatGPT. So, statement one, it is important to remember that ChatGPT and other AI tools are not a replacement for your own critical thinking and original ideas. The ultimate goal of this course and any tool used to submit work here is to enhance your own learning and understanding, not to undermine it. Very well written. As a college student, it's your responsibility to maintain the high standards of academic integrity. Representing work generated by artificial intelligence as one's own work is considered to be academically dishonest. This includes A, ensuring that all work submitted for grades is your own original work, and B, properly citing any sources that you use. Okay, so again, this is kind of a, let this be a guideline to your own syllabus statement. Having AI write your paper constitutes plagiarism. If the source of the work is unclear, I may require you to meet with me to explain the ideas and your writing process. Okay. If you consult with other students on an assignment, it's important report this work that you turn in. If in your code you use a library or implementation from another source, indicate that as well, minimally by including a URL and a comment. Do not generate new content with prompt-based AI tools like ChatGPT or Copilot without permission from instructors unless specifically allowed by the assignment. Using, for example, Grammarly as a language aid is okay. Instructors reserve the right to request an oral explanation of answers. So this is obviously in a code writing kind of course, computer programming. So again, I see the value in having to work through the code on your own before you start using a tool like Copilot to remind you of syntax or to guide your thinking in tackling a different problem. Or just simply, if you have questions about what is permitted, please reach out to me. So this has been your ChatGPT Minute. Some ideas for some language to put in your syllabus at the beginning of the semester so that you communicate to your students what your expectations are about them and their use of ChatGPT. Thanks a lot.